So guys, welcome to your 5th JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get information from the user. And one of the most popular ways to do this is by use of the prompt command. And how you do this is with this syntax. Anytime you want to use the prompt command, you type in the word prompt, and then inside your parentheses, you type in whatever you want to say in the prompt box. So I'm going to say, what is your name? And just to show you guys what a prompt box looks like, it's this right here. And it does exactly like it sounds. It prompts the user to enter some kind of data and submit it. And as you can see, whatever you type in your parameters shows up as the question or statement. So I'll just type in Greg, and then I'll press OK, and it doesn't do anything because we haven't told JavaScript to do anything else yet. So as you can see, this is one way where we can get information from the user, but now we actually want to do something with that information. And 99% of the time, what you do is set the prompt equal to a variable. So I'll set mine equal to a variable named name. Now whatever we type in that blank text box that I showed you is gonna be the value of name. So as you can see, whatever I'll just alert it just so you guys can see. So now it's gonna ask us for our name, and it's gonna tell us to type something in, and whatever we type in is gonna be the value for name, and then it's gonna alert our name in the alert box. I'll have it say hello, and then I'll have it say hello plus whatever our name is using this syntax. So now if I save it, it's gonna ask what is your name, and I'm gonna say, actually I'll say Mike Jones, and then type OK, and then it's gonna say hello Mike Jones. As you can see, asked us to input some text, and then it spit out hello plus the variable, which was the prompt. So now that we got that basics down and how to use the basics of the prompt, let me teach you guys something else you can do, and that is how to make a basic prompt using numbers. So say we have a variable named number1, and we want to set this to prompt, and we want to say enter number1. Now what this is going to do is just give us a blank screen that says enter number1, and it's going to allow us to enter a number. Next we want to have another variable called num2, and we want it to prompt us, and what we want this to say, enter number 2. So now we have two text boxes, and I'm gonna make this last one an alert box, and it's gonna say alert whatever number1 times number2 is. So now here's what we're telling JavaScript to do. We're gonna give you one number, and we're gonna give you a second number, and what we want you to do is tell us what the answer of that is in an alert box. So let's save this and refresh our page. It says enter number 1. I'm gonna enter 42. Then it says OK. Enter your second number. I'm gonna enter 67. And then it gives us the answer by multiplying that in an alert box. So this is how you can make a basic calculator with the user's data that they enter in. And this is also how you can take data from the user and store it in a variable for use later in your JavaScript. So study this. It's a very useful technique, and I don't know what we're going to be learning in the next tutorial, but it's probably going to be fun. See ya.